Good morning, everyone. We are Group 5 from Jambi University. Our group consists of 5 members, and we are excited to introduce ourselves. I'm Rahel Ajustin Sinaga, NIM A1C3250224, and my friends.
Humaira Fatharani, NIM A1C3250042.
And my friends.
Fitri Andriani, NIM A1C325026.
Ratu Masyakil Azahra, NIM A1C3250030.
We are looking forward to working together and exciting our goals. Thank you. Next.
Wedding culture in Indonesia. Marriage in Indonesia has two main aspects: the legal process and documentation given by law, as well as rich and varied traditional customs across different ethnic groups. Legally, marriage must be conducted according to a kafel religion and registered at the relevant authorities, namely the Office of Religious Affairs (KUA) for Muslim and the Civil Registry Office (DOKCAVI) for other religions. Additional numerous unique traditions such as siraman, ritual bathing, sungkeman, paying respect to parents, and saweran, skating coin or money are performed to complete the wedding ceremony. Marriage in Indonesia is certain event influenced by the diversity of customs, religions, and family values. Given Indonesia multicultural society with various ethnic groups, each region has its unique and distinct wedding tradition. Even before the wedding takes place, the couple must obtain the blessing of their families. As marriage in Indonesia not only unites two individuals but obtain the blessing of their families. The wedding ceremony typically consists of several steps, such as the proposal, marriage contract or blessing, and traditional ritual with its symbolic meaning. For example, in Javanese tradition, there are the siraman and panggih karemanes, while in Minang and Batak custom, there are specific traditions that show respect to ancestors and extended family. In terms of after Indonesia is raised diverse traditional clothing that respect in identity of each region. Brides and groom can wear kebaya, batik, ulas, songket, and various traditional accessories that carry deep philosophical meaning. Additionally, wedding ceremonies in Indonesia often invite large numbers of guests as a form of respect and to maintain social relationship. The cost of the wedding is usually supported or even covered by the extended family. Through harmony, cooperation, gotong royong, the meaning of marriage in Indonesia society goes beyond just a romantic commitment between couples. It also involves maintaining harmony and strengthening family ties.
Wedding culture in Australia. Weddings in Australia are generally influenced by Western culture, which express value of freedom and individualism. Couples have full rings to determine their wedding concept according to their wishes without much family influence. The wedding ceremony is usually considered in the form of civil or religious ceremony, often held at a art, garden, beach of the romantic location in participant. Wedding ceremony in Australia tend to be simple, brief, and without many binding traditional rituals. An important traditional that is never let or is the exchange of rings and direction of wedding vows. With a party of wedding reception with the family and guests in a relaxed and convivial atmosphere. In terms of attire, the brides typically wear a white wedding dress that symbolizes purity, while the grooms wear a sweet or tuxedo. The number of guests invited is also wedding is usually held by the couple themselves, as it is considered their personal responsibility. The meaning of marriage in Australian social emphasis more on the personal relationship between two individuals who love each other and are ready to build a life together independent.
Comparison of marriage culture in Australia and Indonesia. The comparison of marriage culture in Australia and Indonesia can be seen from the traditional system, social value, and wedding practices that differ based on their respective culture background. Marriage in Australia generally highlight the couple's freedom in determining the from the of ceremony, such as choosing the venue, number of guests, and the overall wedding concept. Description regarding marriage considered a personal right of the two individuals getting married. The four family involvement is not highly dominant. They may hold a civil wedding officiated by marriage celebrant or a religious ceremony in a course, garden, beach, restaurant, or any other meaningful location. The ceremony is typical, short and simple, yet still meaningful with important tradition such as the exchange of ring and the recitation of wedding vows, which become the central moments of the celebration. In concern, the marriage system in Indonesia is far more complex because it is strongly influenced by diverse tradition and religion. Wedding ceremonies usually consist of a series of stages, starting from the engagement, the Islamic marriage contract, or Christian blessing, followed by traditional ritual according to the family culture background. Each ethnic group has distinctive rituals rich in symbolic meaning, such as siraman and panggih in Javanese wedding, mangupa in Batak culture, and malambainan in Minangkabau traditional. Family involvement plays a significant role in every described science. Marriage is viewed not only as the union of individuals but also the unification of two extended families. The four parental and family blessing are considered essential before a couple can officially marry. In terms of clothing and appearance, the difference are also noticeable. Australian wedding feature a modern and elegant style, with the bride typically wearing a white gown and the groom in a suit or tuxedo. Meanwhile, Indonesian weddings showcase a variety of traditional response setting each region's cultural identity, resulting in more colorful, festive, and symbolically meaningful wedding garments. The reflects pride in culture that the continue to be applied across generations. Another distinguishing factor is the number of guests and financial responsibilities. In Australia, weddings are usually attended by a small number of guests, such as close family and friends. The expenses are more covered by the couple themselves, as marriage is viewed as their personal responsibility. Conversely, Indonesian weddings often involve a large number of guests as the service in an occasion to strengthen social relationships and introduce both family to the community. The wedding costs are generally shared to collectively by the extended family as a form of support for the marriage couple.
Regarding the meaning of marriage, Australia's social view is a commitment of love and equal rights between two independent individuals. After marriage, couples are expected to live autonomous without heavy involvement from extended family members. On the other hand, Indonesia socially considers marriage a sacred bond maintained not only by the couple but also by the family to ensure harmony social connection. Religions, values, cultural, traditional, and social ethnics continue to guide the married life of Indonesian couples. Thus, the difference between the marriage system in Australia and Indonesia can be seen throughout their tradition, ceremonial implementation, shore value, level of family involvement, and the cultural symbol present. Australia emphasizes simplicity and individual freedom, while Indonesia highlights traditional custom, religion, principles, and strong family values, although their practice but share the same ultimate goals, building a harmony and supportive family through life.
Conclusion: marriage tradition in Australia and Indonesia so very clear. Cultural difference while still sharing the same ultimate purpose. Australia emphasize personal freedom in every aspect of marriage, allowing couples to have full control in determining the form of the ceremony, the number of guests, and the overall concept the wish to create. This reflects the characteristic of Western society which priorities individualism and simplicity. Wedding ceremony are more flexible, not bound to specific tradition and focus more on symbolic moments such as the exchange of vows as a form of love, commitment, and equality between the bride and groom. In addition, financial responsibilities are generally handled independently by the couple as symbols of their readiness to start a new life together. On, on the on the other hand, Indonesia maintains strong value of tradition, religion, and family that characterize the diverse culture of the archipelago. Wedding ceremony not only serve to unite two individuals legally, but also strengthen the relationship between the two extended families. The stage of Indonesia wedding traditions are rich in symbolism, prayer and hopes for the couple's future household. The involvement of extended family members in decision making and financial contribution demonstrated the spirit of cooperation and the significance of parental blessings as the foundation of marital harmony. The wide variety of cultural traditions showcased in Indonesian weddings reflects the richness of the nation's heritage that continues to be preserved across generations. Therefore, both marriage systems reflect the core value applied in their respective cultures. Australia represents a modern perspective that prioritizes practicality, efficiency, and personal autonomy, while Indonesia highlights cultural heritage pilots with deep meaning, as well as strong social and spiritual ties. Although the method and ritual differ greatly, both aim to build a strong bond of love between two individuals committed to creating a happy and harmonious family. These differences not only illustrate the diversity of world cultures but also show that each society has its own unique ways of celebrating one of life's most important moments.